Infection disease occur when microorganisms cause physiological change that disturb normal body function. Microorganisms were commonly called germs, so this conclusion was called the German theory of disease. Infection disease can be caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. Cause studies with bacterial leukemia developed rules for identifying the microorganisms that cause a specific disease. These rules are known as course postulates. Some diseases are spread through recurring, sneezing, physical contact, or a chain of body fluids. Some diseases are spread through contaminated water or food. Distillery diseases are spread to human from invertebrate animals. This disease that can be transmitted from animal to human is called a zoonosis. The transmission can occur in various ways. Sometimes an animal carries or transfers zoonotic disease from an animal host to human host. These carriers, called vectors, transport the pathogen but usually do not get heat transferred. Non-specific defense include skin, tears, and other secretions, inflammatory response, interference, and fever. The first line of defense, the most widespread non-specific defense, is the physical barrier, we call skin. Very few pathogens can penetrate the layers of dead cells that form the skin surface. In the second line of defense, if pathogen may join in the body through occluding the skin, for example, the body's second line of defense swing into action, these mechanisms include the inflammatory response, the action of the interference, and fever. The immune system specific defense distinguishes between self and other, and they inactive or kill any foreign substance or cell that enter in the body. An antigen is any foreign substance that can stimulate an immune response. The main role of antibodies is to attack antigens for destruction by immune cells. Antibodies may be attached to particular immune cells or may be free, floating in plasma. The specific immune response has two main styles of action: humoral immunity and cell-mediated immunity. Humoral immunity depends on the action of antibodies that circulate in the blood and lymph. Cell-mediated immunity depends on the action of macrophages and several types of T cells. Active immunity. Vaccination stimulates the immune system with antigen. The immune system produces memory B cells and memory T cells that quicken and strengthen the body's response to repeat infection. Passive immunity. Antibodies produced against a pathogen by other individuals or animals can be used to produce temporary immunity. Public health measures help prevent disease by monitoring and regulating food and water supplies, promoting vaccination and promoting behavior that avoid infection. Antibiotics can kill bacteria, and some antiviral medication can slow down viral activity. Antigens that cause allergic reaction are called allergens. When allergens enter the body of people affected by allergies. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic disease in which air passages narrow, causing wheezing, frowning, and difficult breathing. Autoimmune disease is when the immune system attacks the body itself. It produces autoimmune disease. Examples of autoimmune disease are type 1 of diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and lupus. HIV is the only for two reasons. First, HIV can hide from defense of the immune system. Second, HIV attacks K cells within the immune system, leaving the body with inadequate protection against other pathogens. HIV can only be transmitted through contact with inferior blood, semen, vaginal secretion, or breast milk. The only risk behavior with respect to HIV transmission is abstinence from sexual activity and intravenous drug use. At the present, there is no cure for AIDS. The only way to control the virus is to use a combination of expensive drugs that fight the virus in several ways.